you're able to watch this last video today and you never struggle to get airdrop, I think you wonder that a lot of airdrops that it always favor a lot of people that we are able to refer a lot of people. But you're able to watch this video today, you never be able to struggle to get a lot of invite, those people that will click, that will use your referral link for a particular airdrop, and be able to compete with a lot of all these idolos and influencer. Because in this particular website that I'm going to reveal to you, I tell you, it's going to show you how you could get a lot of referrals to anything, either airdrops, as a Facebook marketer, as a TikTok marketing, you need people to click or to like or to do it, or as a Telegram marketer, you can use it for a very lot of it. And also in this particular video, I'll be sharing with you how you could create an account in this website with fake IDs. So now let's go to the deal of the day. Emeka Amaka. Why haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel? Just click on the subscribe button and click on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime we upload another new video. So let's dive in to the main thing of this particular video. So what we need to do, let me share with you the first thing is how to create an account. I have an account with them already. Let me tap on logout and let me go to login. Let's go to create an account. That's why I tell you, you have to just watch this particular video to the end. For you to create an account, there are some certain things that we need that we share with you. We need our first name, last name. You can create a fake name, user ID, email address. So this is it. I will share you a site that will be using to create a fake email address just to receive the code that will be sent to that email address. So the particular email address will be using tempmail.org. So when I'll be dropping the link in the description of this particular video. So when you tap on it like this, it will create, you can see, say your temporary email address. So we'll be using the particular temporary email to receive email that particular site will be sending. So this is the email that was created for us. So you just have to copy it. You come back to this particular site, you tap the email there. So the name, let me just use Toby, and this one let me just use Ade. So let me just say username Toby Day. I love the way it sounds. So the number is not necessarily you use your number. So let's just say we use random number. So 91 783 8903. Let's count it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So for the aspect of password, let's just say it suggests password for us. So let's say agree. Let's say create an account. A code has been sent. So we'll go back to that particular email. Let's just refresh it so that we'll be able to get the code. That's the major reason why you are using temporary email. So you swipe down, you could see say your box is empty. So it's actually loading. Let's wait for it to load. So if you haven't subscribed, you could see now that the email has actually arrived now from Fresh Connect. So we'll tap on it for us to just get the code. What we need is the code. You could see this is the email code that was sent. So now everything we have created was just, nothing will be sent to that particular number that we just used to create it. So voila, this is it. So when you move down to this particular place, let's come down to this place and let's just move down to services. Let's tap on services. Let me just share with you some shocking things. You could see here, you say referral bots Telegram airdrop. You could see that the likes of Amsterdam, you could see the likes of Cap. You see some people having thousands and on thousands. This is where they actually come to get a lot of referrals. You could see for Blom, Pulse, Pixel. See, and I tell you, if you're able to do this particular thing, you'll be able to make, if those airdrop actually pays, you'll be able to get make thousands and thousands of money, I tell you, from this particular airdrops. So let's say, for example, I want to do for the likes of Caps airdrop. You know, Caps airdrop is currently going. So you just tap on it like this. You just tap on other. So you see. So what you do is that your referral link for that particular site. So you actually type it here. So let's say this is the quantity, the number of referrals. So let's say I'm looking for 100 referrals. So I'm being told you are going to pay actually a little amount of money. They say it will cost me 17,300. So you just need to tap on yes, I confirm. So you just have to place your order. So this service name, this is it. So the minimum you can of referral you can ask is one, and I tell you these are just real referrals. Maximum number is 100,000. Price per referral is one kobo. So and one of the best thing is that if there is any referral that maybe is not listed here, you can actually contact them. Say if there is any airdrop referrals you need that isn't on the list, write to any of our supporting. So you could write to their supporting on WhatsApp, on Instagram, and I tell you, they'll actually create it for you. So, and one of the best thing is that you may be asking that how can you fund your account? Is easy. You just have to tap on here, then they have made it very very easy. Then you had to add fund, so you can add your fund through this various method. We have the likes of bank transfer. You can send crypto through your Coinbase, coin payment, or Cora Pay. These are the ways by which you can actually fund your account and start getting a lot of referral. I'll be doing the part of the particular video on how to get another method, how to get referrals organic using your Twitter account and some other social medias. So if this video was, please kindly like, share, click on the bell notification so that you could get notified anytime we upload another new video like this. Thank you and bye bye.